We are back again, part 2 of repairing stick drift from PS5 controller. And I was a little, I panicked a little, I can show you, but everything worked out fine, just wonderful. And as you can see, everything, I removed this part, so was kind of easy, but the temperature was too low. 400 degrees was too low. I put it on 450 degrees Celsius. The hot air gun, that is, the hot air station, and then it popped out easy. So the next step is to make sure that the holes are clean, because we're going to put the new stick in. We need to clean the holes, not the hose. Sorry about that. So let's see now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 holes. And then I need to clean those out. Let's start with the big one. Add a little bit of solder. Oh. Just enough. I have to do this carefully and concentrately. Otherwise it won't come out. It has to come out clean. Clean. This one, I have a loop. Let's see what the loop, what it's actually doing. Oh, missed it. I think the other ones are clean. Clean it with some isopropyl alcohol. inspect it a little. Yeah, I have to clean the other holes too. Otherwise it won't go in. So that's a little time consuming, but I can manage. Let's clean this hole. Yeah. Really have to clean it. Let it bubble a little. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. And then suck it out. Same for that one. Suck it out. Let's see now. What hole needs to be cleaned? Excuse me, I have to check this out. Like so. Yeah, those 3 holes need to be cleaned. See? 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately. The other one. Small tin for small holes. These ones too. And these ones too. And the left one. I assume. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just flux. Yeah, it's just flux. That one is flux. Oh, that one was flux too, okay. Okay, so now that all the holes are clean, I can put this a little bit back again. Well, you can see anyway. The new part. PlayStation 5 controller. Okay, so you have to. This is the new PlayStation 5 sensor. It works great. It's from the, as you can see, it's keys. I think it's a kill switch or something like that. I don't know exactly what keys means. Kill silver or something, or K silver. But it's for PlayStation 5 because you can see that because they're both blue. If it's 4, then one of them is green. So now you know that's for PlayStation 5. And also you have to control check the pins, the pin layout. If the pins are straight, sometimes they are bent, and then they won't go in. You can bend them a little bit back. You can play with them a little, but usually they are 90% straight. Let's put it in, like so. Goes in perfectly, without hesitation. Let's get a reference point. I'm trying to hold it with one finger in and one finger on the soldering point to solder it in. Yeah. That's the point. Yeah, should be fine. Now that you have two reference points, you can start your engines. One, two, one, this one. Kind of annoying work, but what are you gonna do? Two. Get the small ones first. One. Two. Sometimes it doesn't melt. Don't know why. try to. $450 degrees. I don't want to get a cold joint. Add a little bit of flux there. Just a little bit. See if it melts. Should melt. I think there's not enough flux. I mean solder. Like so. I get the bigger ones. Can you see it? No? Should be fine. Like so. Oh, I forgot this one. That's why I think it's annoying to do so. Small electronics is harder for me. That's why I don't do small electronics, for example. Let's inspect it. It's pretty hot. Yeah, it looks fine. Actually. That's it. You could clean it a little bit if you want to. With isopropyl alcohol, maybe a Q-tip. Doesn't really require to, but doesn't do much, in my opinion. Doesn't do much. That's all about it. Well, that's it. Then what you do is remove the tape, electrical tape. Let's see if that's possible even. Still hot? No. It's a little oily. Remove the tape. Remove the tape. Use too much oil, but hey, what you gonna do? The most important thing is that that you didn't damage any other components. That's the most logical thing to have done. Get that tackle tape. My worst nightmare would be if a capacitor comes off or something like that. There's a little bit of oil there. Have to clean that one. Might as well clean this a little bit, but other than that, it's fine. Just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. 1 second. I have this funny bottle. It's actually poop spray, but the poop spray perfume, I used it up, and now it's isopropyl alcohol. I opened it and filled it with isopropyl alcohol. So I can use it as without any problems. So I have to clean these contact points because there was a little bit of flux on them. That's not okay. Just a little bit. That's okay. So the contact point should be good now. Let's inspect it a little. Yeah. Looks good. Hope it works. See now, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I think one is a little bit higher than the other, but not that much. If you can see it, I don't see it. If you can see, then you see that this one is a little higher than this one, but that's because it's not the original. You can't buy the original. This one is TMR, and this one is normal. This one goes, this one is bad actually, but this one's the good one. So I fixed it for €5. Okay. Let's clean it up a little. Let's get everything in order. Let's get the board. Board didn't melt, did it? No. It didn't melt. Get the board back in. Everything looks well. So the trickiest part is has been is behind us. So now we have to get, this is tricky. You have to get this part out of there, or you can just do it like this, and then the other one. Or do them both. Let's see how that works. If I can try to do them both at the same time. Yeah, it worked. And don't forget this connector also, this bottom connector. Has to be aligned, and at last forget this one. So if everything is aligned and you have everything in control, especially this connector is important. Excuse me. Hallelujah. Right, I'll adjust the camera a little. Like so. Yeah. And if everything is aligned, you can just click it in place. Like so, click. And then you can get the connectors back in the thingy. In the sleeve, in the I mean the ribbon cable in the connector. That isn't so hard, actually. Don't press too much. Just be gentle. Everything will work out fine. Like so. This one. And the right one. Okay, so the trickiest part is actually has been completed. Let me see if I can. Oh, I don't want to break it. Yeah, I can actually, like so, or like so. Yeah, like so. So now that we have done that, we can solder the wires back. Yay, that's fun. So red, black, green, yellow. Red, red, black, green, yellow. Did I say it correctly? Red, black, green, yellow. Red, first let's do red. Or no, let's do yellow. That's the hard part, the hardest. And then we can do the rest. Can do yellow first. It's kind of the last tricky part to before testing the controller. Actually, you have to test it and then put it there. But I know it works. I did this like now. It's the 10th time or something. So I know it works. Yellow, green. Get the green out. I have to get the green in. It's a tight. It's really tidily. It's not. It's not. Yeah. Try to get it on the middle. And if you're not sure, you can also use an extra solder tin or a flux. If you're not. And then it's black, red. It's red, black. But I do the other way around, black, red, because I work from up to down, up to bottom. And normal from bottom to up to bottom to top, it's red, black, green, yellow. And now it's yellow, green, black, red. Yeah, so this one is complete. And the other side is the same. So that's the reference. Red, black, green, yellow, yellow, black, green, red. Whatever. Yellow, green, red, black, I mean. Not yellow, black, green, yellow. First let's get yellow. Yellow. You have to turn the controller around because I'm right-handed. Yellow. It's really tricky. And then green. Just a little bit. It's a little dry. Oh, I forgot the thumbsticks. Stupid. Well, I can do it later. No problem. I can turn it around. So stupid. Well, it's not stupid, but it's just I forgot it. I can remove this one, remove this one, remove this one, and then I can gently turn it around. So it's yellow, green, green, it goes like so, or go like so. 1 second. Goes from here. Like so. Still green. Green's a little hard. I have to do this off camera because my back hurts. No, it doesn't work exactly. Add a little bit of solder. There. Yeah. A little bit of fresh solder. Black. Green was hard. Let's try black. And then red. I forgot to put the lights on for the camera, so it's a little harder now. Next time I put the light on. Doesn't focus anyway. Black. Black is good. And red. yeah, so we've done it everything correctly. It's should look like this: red, black, green, yellow, red, black, green, yellow. Okay, now we have to remove it again because we forgot sticks. Remove. Just put the stick back in. No problem. Hey, it's annoying, but okay. It's for a customer. Next time I'll ask a little bit more. I asked 750 because of the work I have put it in the work. I need to work, man. But it's fun to do. Better than doing nothing. Let's see now if I can flip this around. Yeah. Put the caps back. That's the point. So, yeah, that's one. That's two. Yeah, they look good. They look great, mate. Is the connector well? It looks fine. I have to get these one back. Deja vu. Come on, man. Help me, man. Got no money, man. That's one. That's almost two. That's two. Okay, so this time we did it okay. Just this connector. Don't forget the connector at the bottom. That's what's important. And when you turn it around, this one comes loose. But that's not a problem at all. You can just pop that one in. Should be easy. Just like that. Just like that. Like so. Come on, man, work, man. It's a little tricky, but yeah, it's in place. So after that is in place, close it again, make the click noise, and you can now for sure close the connections, the ribbon cables. Spooky. And believe it or not, it's like 10 times I repaired it and 10 times successfully, and still I have this fear that it's not gonna work. But it's always the same, and it will always be the fear, and I don't know why. Okay, now that we have everything set up, we put the battery holder back in its place. Just hold it with one hand, just because otherwise it will pop out again, the motherboard. Get the battery holder back to its place. Get the screw. Very important. Like so. Get the battery in. Like so. I will say Bismillah. I'm a Christian, but I say Bismillah, I don't know why. Like the battery is like so. So everything is should be fine now. We're going to test it. I'm going to test it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I have a spare controller that I don't want to go mess with this one again, because the wire should be okay. But other than that, if the stick drift doesn't work, which I doubt, then I have to open it all, start all over again. So I doubt that it doesn't work, but we'll see. It's red, black, green, yellow. Red, black, green, yellow. Yeah, I did that one good. So should be fine. Should be good. So now you close, you get this part again. Like so. Like so. Yeah, it's a little dirty though. But it's not that dirty. It just sticks in the beginning. Yeah, I'm going to do a cigarette board. Hope it works, hope it works. And today I bought this one, by the way. from some drop shipping person. It's a rechargeable mini cordless electric drill, but it's from Shenzhen Technology from China. But I paid 25, something like that, 25, 30, 25 I believe. But I think that these are very cheap, but they do the job. And I bought this also for a friend of mine, for a customer. This one is for Nintendo Switch, for stickdrift, also made in China. Links in industrial Shenzhen, third floor, C building. C building, hotel industry district, Liakeng village, Xi'an, Shenzhen, China. But it works. Everything is from China. It's not like that it's from Japan or something, and that the original is in Japan. The originals aren't that good. That like the TMR sticks, like they say. Like rumors are true. All I have to do is test it up, and then I can call the customer. Get the screws back in. Wait. I'm gonna put the customer's controller. One second. Put it somewhere. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of me. Let's get this one in. Where's the screwdriver? Getting tired. No endurance. No endurance at all. So this one is in. This one is in. This one is in. And this one. It's in. In. click it in. Like so. And then click deze on there. And everything is fine. Everything works. Yeah, it works. I'm just kidding. I need to figure it out yet. If it really works. Okay, thank you for watching.